Hi everyone, I am going to cast on my pattern Le Bandana. So go ahead and grab your needles and your yarn. For this exercise, I'm using a thicker yarn than is required in the pattern so that you can see the stitches. All right, we're gonna do long tail cast on and we're gonna cast on 7 stitches. Here we go. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. And now we are going to begin the setup rows of Le Bandana. You are going to start out by knitting 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1, place your stitch marker. I like using these open and close stitch markers. And now you're going to yarn over. And the next part says slip 3 with yarn in front. So to make that actually happen, you have to wrap this yarn all the way around like this and create that stitch that's made by the yarn over. Yarn is now in the front and we slip 3. 1, 2, 3. So now you've turned your work and you're going to work row 2 of the setup. You're going to knit 3, 1, 2, 3. And now you're going to purl through the back loop of the increase. And the reason why I have you doing purl through the back loop, because it makes a slightly tighter increase and it looks a little bit tidier. So you bring your yarn forward to purl, go through the back loop and make sure that your stitch is twisted, which you can see right here, and go ahead and purl. And then slip your stitch marker, purl the next stitch, and we're going to drop this yarn over. And then since the yarn is already in the front and we're creating the I-cord, we're going to slip these 3 stitches over. You're probably asking, why are we doing the yarn over and dropping it? It's going to help create a more supple edge on your bandana so that when you block out the triangle, it will not curl. All right, next row, we're going to knit 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to do yarn over, knit, slip your stitch marker and make your increase. Yarn over, knit, and now you're going to bring your yarn forward and we're going to slip these 3 stitches to create that I-cord edge. 1, 2, 3. And turn and work the next row. Knit the 3 stitches of the I-cord, bring the yarn forward to work the purl row. I'm going to purl 1. We're going to work the increase with a purl through the back loop. Slip the stitch, purl, and now we're going to drop this yarn over, which is going to create bigger stitches here in the I-cord, and I'm just going to pass these over. Oops. And snug that down. And there you have it. You have begun the beginning of Le Bandana. Thank you.